Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This is part two, just a real quick little video. I mentioned in this video on part one, and then I told them that these were text, and somebody questioned how it's a text. Well, it's Times New Romans, and it's under the symbols. Times New Romans is a common font that everybody should have. You don't have to go out and get it. It should be in your Windows. But if you just type out, well, you don't even have to type out letters when you're doing this. So go to Windows, Dockers, and Glyphs, and here's Times New Romans, and I've already checked to make sure they're all there, and they're all there because there's some recent gifts. And then just take this spade and drag it out, take the club and just drag it out, take the heart and just drag it out, take the diamond, just drag it out. Let's hit T to put them all the same, and let's make them 200 points so you can see them bigger. And there's you, good, clear, crisp graphics. You know, nothing's hidden. We'll do a yellow box trick. And when you're searching this, I search symbols. You can, normally it's going to be entire font. So all those symbols are in there, but you might have to take a while to find them. And if you just go right here to entire font and click on symbols, it'll just give you the symbols. And there's, you know, happy face, a man, a woman, music, pound, you know, just quite a few symbols that some of them I don't even understand what they are. You know, there's a pretty neat little item that you could use for drawing with. And just remember when you're playing, this is a font. So to play with it, go to Object, convert it to a curve, then you can left click, right click, and you can do a lot with this. You know, you could take out some nodes and make it your own shape and, you know, play around with it quite a bit, make this a little bit better. You could join this together, Control D, holding down the control button, do that right there. If you like that, you could actually hold down the control button a little bit and move them in. You could actually grab that right there and move it in until it touches. Go here and weld it, and now you have a completely different shape. I would much prefer probably having these, you know, if I was going to use this, grab your shape tool and, you know, go about halfway, and actually delete that line. And then you could fill that in with the Smart Fill tool. And then you could actually, you created a new object, left click, right click, and then take these nodes away and give you a little bit more of a rounder pattern to it. Pretty cool what you can find in symbols and stuff. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.